monsters are definitely pretty much the main idea of Clase Arena. So I would definitely make sure they know that the first week. I would make sure they understand how the shop works with healing, treasury, defense. Show them what history looks like. Settings is not really something they really need to see. It's more of a teacher-facing. So talk to them a bit about their tower. I would definitely make sure they understand that tiering up would increase their HP and defense. And so it's great for them to try to donate at least 100 a week. They'll have to do more than 100 a week to match the every 9 weeks tiering up goal. Then I would immediately, after I've kind of explained a bit of the monsters, I would pretty much immediately start them on quests. So, hey, this is what quests look like. I would just show this to them and kind of just guide them through it. And start them out on quests so they can start earning gold. And then just show them their rewards. The rewards and the quests are pretty easy to introduce, pretty self-explanatory for the students.